Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is how to calculate the shaded area in this figure. Let this is the radius of this circle. Let this is R, this is also R, and this is also R. Let this length from here to here, let this is X, from here to here this is 7. These two lengths are equal. Now from here to here this is 7 plus X, and from here to here this is 7 minus X. So this will be also 7 minus X up to here. This is R, this is also R, and from here to here this is 7 plus X. Now from this triangle we can write R square plus X square is equal to 3 square and equal to 9. And from the large triangle ABC, we can write 7 plus R plus X whole square plus 7 plus R minus X whole square is equal to 14 square. Now if we simplify this, so 7 square plus R square plus X square, and this is equal to 9, and plus 14R plus 2RX plus 14X. Similarly, this will be equal to 7 square plus R square plus X square, and this is 9, and plus 14R minus 2RX minus 14X is equal to 14 square. Now this term and this term are cancelled. Similarly, these two terms are cancelled, and if we add this will be equal to 2 into 7 square plus 2 into 9, 2 times 9, plus 28R equal to 14 square. Now we can simplify this more, and we can write this is 28R is equal to 14 square, and we can write 14 square is 2 into 7 whole square minus 2 into 7 square minus 2 into 9. 28R equal to, if we simplify this is 4 into 7 square, 2 square is 4, 7 square minus 2 into 7 square minus 2 into 9. Then 28R is equal to this minus this, so 2 into 7 square minus 2 into 9, and 28R is equal to, if we take 2 common, so 7 square minus 9, 49 minus 9 is 40, divided by 28, so R is equal to 20 by 7. Now the shaded area will be equal to, let we denote the shaded area by S. So the shaded area will be equal to half of the height, and the height is 20 by 7 into the base, and the base is 14. If we simplify this is equal to 20 unit square, and this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.